Have you ever wondered what drugs do to your brain and body? How do they make you feel good, bad, or both? And why do some people become addicted to them while others don't? Hello and welcome to Curiosity, where we explore fascinating and interesting topics about everything. Today we are going to talk about drugs and why they are dangerous for your health. Drugs are substances that change a person's mental or physical state. They can affect the way your brain works, how you feel and behave, your understanding and your senses. This makes them unpredictable and dangerous, especially for young people. Different types of drugs have different effects on the brain's reward circuit, which is responsible for motivating us to do things that make us happy, like eating or spending time with loved ones. Drugs can cause surges of dopamine, a chemical messenger that makes us feel pleasure, in this circuit. This can make us feel euphoric or high. But this high comes at a cost. As a person continues to use drugs, the brain adapts by reducing the ability of cells in the reward circuit to respond to dopamine. This means that the person needs more and more of the drug to get the same effect. This is called tolerance. Drugs can also cause changes in other brain systems and functions, such as learning, judgment, decision-making, stress, memory and behavior. These changes can make it hard for the person to control their impulses, resist cravings, or enjoy other things they once liked. This is why drug addiction is a chronic disease that is difficult to quit. Addiction is characterized by compulsive drug seeking and use, despite harmful consequences. People who are addicted to drugs may find that using the drug becomes more important than anything else in their life. Drugs can also harm your physical health in many ways. They can damage your organs, such as your heart, liver, kidneys and lungs. They can weaken your immune system and make you more prone to infections. They can cause overdose, which can be fatal. Some drugs can also cause long-term physical effects that may not be reversible. These include the followings. Kidney damage. Some drugs can cause dangerous increases in body temperature and muscle breakdown, which can lead to kidney failure or injury. Liver damage. Some drugs can cause inflammation or scarring of the liver, which can impair its function or cause cirrhosis. Lung damage. Some drugs can cause respiratory problems such as asthma, bronchitis, pneumonia or lung cancer. Brain damage. Some drugs can cause permanent changes in brain structure or function, such as memory loss, cognitive decline, stroke or dementia. Heart damage. Some drugs can cause irregular heartbeat, high blood pressure, heart attack or heart failure. Drugs can also affect your mental health and well-being. They can cause mood swings, anxiety, depression, paranoia, psychosis and suicidal thoughts. They can interfere with your relationships, school, work and social activities. They can make you say or do things that you regret or that hurt others. So why do people use drugs if they are so harmful? There are many reasons why people may try or use drugs. Some may do it out of curiosity, peer pressure, boredom or stress. Some may do it to cope with emotional pain or trauma. Some may do it to enhance their performance or experience. But not everyone who uses drugs becomes addicted to them. There are many factors that influence whether a person develops a drug problem or not. These include genetic, environmental, psychological and social factors. Some people may be more vulnerable than others to the effects of drugs. The good news is that drug addiction can be treated and prevented. There are many effective treatments available that can help people recover from drug addiction and lead productive lives. These include behavioral therapies, medications and support groups. There are also many ways to prevent drug use or reduce its harm. These include the followings. Educating yourself and others about the risks of drugs. Avoiding situations where drugs are present or offered. Seeking help if you have a mental health problem or a history of trauma. Finding healthy ways to cope with stress or emotions. Having positive hobbies and goals. Through these methods, you can escape from drug addiction and regain a positive and happy life. That's all for today's episode. Thank you for watching Curiosity. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more content like this. And don't forget to share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious,